What's up, guys? We're going to learn how to make a glaze today. Get it out of your brain. This is not about glazed donuts. This is about glazing with paint. And basically, a glaze is just a paint that's been watered down quite a bit. And what that does is it creates like a more translucent, watery paint in your cup or whatever you're using to hold your paint in. So I have a little Dixie cup right here, which is a little bit. I'm just gonna make a little bit of a glaze. Glazes are great for stretching your money with the paint because working for a theater, you don't have a lot of money. So it's almost like painting with water. Okay, so I have you can see it swimming around in there. Okay, I have water in there and some paint, and I'm just going to mix it up. Now you can make very, very thin glazes that are very watered down. It's very, very loose. Okay, you can make a little bit thicker glazes, a little bit more opaque, depending on what you want to do. And the good thing about a glaze is, again, that it's like translucent. Not like translucent, it is translucent. So I can paint with a glaze and still see textures and stuff shining through what I paint with. That's kind of hard to explain, so I'll just show you. If I wanted this scumbled gray surface to have a little bit more of like a yellow glow to it, without having to repaint everything, I could just paint a glaze on top and it'll dry and it'll sit there, and now I'll have a little bit of a yellow glow. Okay, this is great for using from doing highlights as well as shadows. When you're doing cast shadows and stuff like that, glazing with some black paint is excellent because you can create shadows. So I have over here to the side, I have a little palette, and I've already pre-made a little bit of black glaze. So I'm just going to paint with a little bit of this right here. See? Okay, and it just darkens it easily. And that's it. That's how you make a glaze. So check it out, try it out, and just remember, it's watered down paint.